let's talk about the way that you use Deezer on Android Auto. If you're trying to connect Deezer to your Android Auto and trying to listen to songs or podcasts while you're driving, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. First of all, you need to connect your phone to your car. There are two options to do that. Either you can add in a USB cable to your phone and connect it to your car, or you can also use Bluetooth. So select your option and choose which option is going to be easier for you. If you want to use Bluetooth, just turn on Bluetooth on your phone and inside of your car, and make sure you pair both of those devices. You'll be able to see all of the available devices in this section. Just tap on your car's Bluetooth and both of the devices will be paired. Once the devices now have been paired, you'll need to open up the Android Auto on your phone. It should start automatically on your car screen. If it does not, open up the Android Auto app manually on your head unit. Once you do open up Deezer inside of Android Auto, tap on the music icon that you'll be able to see inside of your screen. If not, you'll need to scroll down and tap on the audio apps and find the Deezer option. Once you do, you can now start playing songs on inside of your phone and it will start to play on your car speakers. Other than this, you can also use voice commands to play, pause or change songs while the song is playing inside of your car. So that was a video about the way that you use Deezer on Android Auto. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up.